Hi, so in order for you to understand what you should do in this teaching project, you want to make sure you go into Momentum, you look in course materials and contents, and then you will see information for the co-teaching project. Okay, it's right there. And then you want to click on that, of course. I strongly recommend that you read the information that I've linked to here, because each of you will have different issues going on in your poem. Not everyone's poem will deal with assonance or consonants, or feature oxymorons, for example. But you might not know how to recognize that. So it's a really good idea to read through this material, and then you can more clearly identify what exactly is going on in your poem. Okay. So you do want to plan for your teaching session to last for a minimum of 20 minutes, but no more than 40 minutes. You don't have to make a PowerPoint, but if you do, you want to make sure that it isn't simply like fluff, that the PowerPoint isn't really, you want to make sure that it's actually working for you and helping the class understand the poem, and you haven't simply added it with the hope that it will take up more time. You really want to make sure that you use the PowerPoint effectively if you choose to use it. You also want to think about those objectives in the syllabus. Objectives 2 and 3 under Learning Outcomes for English 1020, and number 1 under the Tennessee Board of Regents objectives in the syllabus. So you want to make sure that you are planning your teaching lesson, your co-teaching project, to meet those objectives. Okay. The first thing you need to do is to call on someone from the class to read the poem aloud. And so now you're going to see me toggle back and forth between a few different screens here. And probably the first thing I will do, since I don't have a class in front of me right now, is read the poem aloud.